Alright guys, you guys just watched me change my tires on my Jeep. I found out that I have a screw on my rear passenger side, and I found that out while I was washing my Jeep. I kept hearing a hissing sound coming out from my tires. I did a little more investigation and found out that I have a screw. So this is not a video about changing your tires, because hopefully everybody knows how to change tires, but more along the line that a good kit to have in your vehicle, so you won't get yourself stranded, especially if you have a flat tire and you don't have a spare. This is called, well, I cut the little box. It's a tire plug kit, and you can get it at any local hardware store. The tool itself comes with this right here. This is I don't even know what it's called, to be honest with you, but this will clean out the hole around after you take out the screws. And this is the tool to put your plug in, and actually I had to buy more because I was running low. And also comes with rubber cement. I've done this a couple times on other vehicles, and it works really well. So again, this is a good kit to have in your vehicle, along with air compressor, any brand, because I always have air compressor and a tire plug kit ready in my Jeep, just in case, you know, me or anybody, in this case me, find out I have a screws. So it's a pretty simple process, and let's get to it. Alright guys, that is it. That is how you plug your tires. If you have a nail or a screw, in my case, long screws. It's pretty long. Well, if you guys like the video, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. I'll appreciate it. Alright, until next time, keep on jeeping. Peace.